What is OSHA forklift inspection? A comprehensive safety inspection process that ensures electric forklifts meet OSHA standard 1910.178 requirements for safe operation in workplace environments. Why use eAuditor? Auditor streamlines the inspection process, allowing for digital documentation, photo evidence, task assignment, and report generation all in one platform. Benefits ensures regulatory compliance, prevents workplace accidents, creates accountability, provides documentation trail. Before beginning the inspection process, you'll need to set up your digital inspection form in eAuditor. Create or download an electric forklift inspection template. Ensure template includes all key inspection areas, customized for specific OSHA compliance requirements under Standard 1910-178. The template should include sections for pre-operational checks, battery systems, safety equipment, operational tests, stability, tires, and documentation of issues. Pre-operational checks, battery charge, cables and terminals, corrosion or damage on terminals, battery charging system verification, safety equipment, operational horns, lights and alarms, seat belts, brakes and overhead guards, load backrest installation and condition, operational tests, steering, acceleration and braking, lifting and lowering functions. Listen for unusual sounds. Forklift stability forks, mast and overall balance, maximum load capacity verification, tires and wheels, tire wear, inflation and condition, wheel damage or misalignment, workplace environment, clean operating environment, proper clearances and flooring, battery and electrical system integrity. Document findings in eAuditor. Record all issues or malfunctions identified. Attach photos of damaged components. Add detailed comments about problems. Document corrective actions needed. Assign and track corrective actions. Create specific maintenance tasks. Assign responsibilities to personnel. Set deadlines for issue resolution. Example: replace worn-out battery terminals by Friday. Generate reports. Compile inspection data into PDF Excel. Include photos and descriptions. Share with stakeholders. Track compliance schedule. Follow-up inspections. Verify corrective actions. Document resolution. Regular monitoring. Perform daily inspections. Monitor forklift condition. Maintain OSHA compliance. Streamline process. Digital workflows replace paper forms, making inspections faster and more efficient while reducing administrative burden. Real-time tracking, immediate documentation of issues with photo evidence and instant assignment of corrective actions to responsible parties. Compliance assurance, comprehensive reporting ensures all OSHA requirements are met, creating a verifiable record of safety inspections and maintenance.